and welcome back to the Oily Life. So today I'm just gonna take you along with me. I have a super simple project that I need to do. I am running low on bath salts for my Etsy shop and the stores I do consignment sales with. So I needed to make another batch of lavender bath salts. So I thought I would bring you along on a short little video and show you how I make them. So first I'm just going to grab my lavender since it's right here behind me. Got it. And then we're going to go around and pick up everything else that I need to make the bath salts, and then we'll get started putting them together. My supplies are all over the house. I think that's the thing, one of the things about running your business out of your home. If you're not someone who has a larger home and like a dedicated space for your business, I have some supplies in my bedroom, some in the pantry in the kitchen, some on this cart. I mean, they're kind of just all over the place, and I got to pull from, you know, each of the locations I have things stashed whenever I want to make anything. So I have everything for the bath salts now, and so we'll go ahead and get into making them. All right, just getting my gloves on here. You definitely want to wear gloves anytime you're making anything you're going to sell. Plus, with the salts, using your hands is the easiest way to get in there and get them mixed up. So, gloves are very important. Alright, got my bowl here. This just came from the Dollar Tree. They have some great bowls there. I use these for soap making, mixing bath salts, bath bombs, shower steamers, tons of things, and they hold up really well. And super cheap. They were $1 when I got them, but of course now they're $1.25. But I do like to just clean it out before I use it each time. Just since I'm storing them here under this cart, just to make sure nothing's got in it since the last time I used it. So I just spray them down with some isopropyl alcohol and kind of let that dry out before I put my salts in. That way they don't get any moisture in them. Alright, and we're going to start off with 1 cup of Epsom salt, 1 cup of fine grained pink Himalayan salt. And then I'm just going to break up any clumps that may be in there and get it mixed together. So as you can see, I have all the lumps broken up there. So now we're just going to add in the botanicals. So I have some calendula petals. And this part is not exact. It's basically a few tablespoons of each of the botanicals that I'm putting in, but I don't measure it completely. And also, if there's any sort of flowers, whole flowers left in the calendula, I just pick those out. I don't like to leave the whole flowers in the bath salts. Then we're going to add in some rose petals. I dry these myself. We're just going to sprinkle some of those in. And then some hibiscus flowers for that deep red. And then some blue cornflowers. I get that in. And it's just really pretty, all those colors in there together. And then I just start to mix it up from here until it's well combined. And then if it looks like it needs a little more of any of the botanicals, I sprinkle those in. You don't want to be too heavy-handed with the botanicals because that is something that's obviously not going to dissolve in the tub, so it will require some cleanup. All right, and then these are lavender bath salts, so I'm going to add in 30 to 40 drops of lavender. These are really great just to help you relax at night before bed. The Epsom salt and the pink Himalayan salt, they help with sore muscles, and then the lavender is super relaxing, and the botanicals just add some additional scent, and the calendula is really nice on your skin. And just give that a good mix. So super simple. And then I put them in these craft paper bags, and they have the little clear window that you can see through. I've put them in milk jars before also, or aluminum tins, so there's a bunch of different ways you can package these. Currently, I'm just using this at least mostly for the Etsy shop because these are really easy to ship and you don't have to worry about them breaking. I use these for the consignment sales I do as well at a couple of my local stores in my area. Just for ease. Now at some of the farmers markets and things, I'll do some glass containers or a little bit fancier container, but anything that there might be shipping involved with or I'm transporting a lot, I like to use these bags. All right, and that is what it looks like in the packaging. I do 11 ounces in these bags, so a decent amount. It'll last for multiple baths. And yeah, that's all there is to it. So super simple project that you can do and either add to your shop if you're in the bath and body business, or it's also great for family or friends to give as gifts, or just to use for yourself for a little bit of self-care, because we all need some self-care now and again. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!